It's Meso, y'all. Come on into my kitchen where we're going to have some fun today. I'm going to show you how to make something that's quick, easy, and delicious. Let's take a look. What do you think about this? Tell me, y'all. How does this look to you? Well, let's see how to make it. Here's some of the ingredients that we're going to be using. We have here egg. We have some chopped up spring onion, some mushrooms, some cottage cheese, some cheddar cheese, some spinach that has been drained and squeezed dry, and we have some chicken. Let's go ahead and get started, girl. Let's make this thing happen, honey. So I have an egg here, and I am going to get my wire whisk, and I am going to whisk away. Gonna make sure I get all of this egg just blended together, whisked together. Believe that's okay. Now let's start putting in these other ingredients. I am getting in my cottage cheese. Don't like cottage cheese? You say, don't worry about it. You'll like this cottage cheese in this dish. It won't be cottage cheese. It'll be good. Don't worry about it, baby. Cottage cheese is your friend. You can trust me so. I want you to just incorporate it very well with the egg. I'm coming back with these very nicely chopped mushrooms. I've chopped them fine, and I am going to get them in here. Now, this was a cup of mushrooms. That was a cup of cottage cheese. Let's get everything incorporated together. Now we're going to put in our spring onions, and this is just the green part. So I'm going to get those in, and we're going to get in the chicken. Yeah, this is a chicken, baby, chicken. I'm using chipotle chicken, but you can use any chicken that you have as long as it's cooked chicken. You can get a rotisserie chicken from the grocery, and that will work. I have cheddar cheese I'm using in here. You can use whatever cheese you like. And here I have some spinach that I have drained and squeezed to dry. I just left a little bit of moisture in here because I want to show you how I did it. So you just put it in some doubled up, tripled up paper towels and you squeeze. If it breaks open, get you some couple of more paper towels and squeeze because you want it dry. You don't want no wet spinach in this dish. It'll make your whole thing mushy. It'll change the texture of it all. All right. Now let's get it incorporated. Let's make sure everybody comes together and has fun. I want all these ingredients to really love one another. Mix, mix, mix. I've already cut some bell peppers in half and I've blanched them or parboiled them. I kept them in hot water for 10 to 12 minutes. Now look at them. This is how yours should look. They shouldn't be falling apart. And you drain them, and now you start to put in that delicious mixture that you had, baby, that you already made. Get it into these peppers. Now I have 4 halves. I cut 2 peppers. I have 4 halves. I'm going to have some of this mixture later, left over. I'm going to do something else with it. So it depends on how many peppers you're making, how big a crowd you're feeding. That depends on how many peppers you want to make. It's going to determine how many peppers you want to make. Be very careful. You see that I am stuffing this pepper down in the nooks and the crannies and the corners and the crevices. I'm putting this into a glass dish that has been sprayed with a vegetable spray. You don't have to use a glass dish. You use whatever pan dish that you have that you like. Just make sure these peppers are well stuffed. Stuff them down, push it down into the corners, the crannies, and then make sure you stack it on top. You want a nice full pepper. I see people that do stuffed peppers that they don't parboil or blanch their peppers first. There is no way to get a nice tender pepper if you don't blanch them. Blanch them a little bit first and your pepper will become sweet and it will just combine with this stuffing and it will be so good. Look at that. I have here some Havarti cheese. This happens to be horseradish Havarti. It is so good. You use whatever cheese you'd like. Anything ranging, cheddar, Munster, whatever you like. Swiss, just use you some cheese, baby. Now I have here a cup of water. I'm not going to use this whole cup. I'm going to put in half a cup of water probably. And in the bottom of this. Let's see, a little bit more than half. Okay, and I have a piece of foil here. I'm going to go ahead and take some vegetable oil and spray the foil. I don't want any cheese to stick. So if it touches the foil, it won't stick to it. It'll just become browned. Let's get it into the oven. Look what I got here. I'm putting it into this preheated 350 degree oven. I'm going to leave it for approximately 25 to 30 minutes until it becomes bubbly and some of it is browned. Let's get it out. I'm going to just jump right on over here and take it out and plate it up. Let's go ahead and plate these peppers up. Look, 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 look. Yes, ma'am, Miss Pam. Now that's what I meant about the cheese that touches the foil with brown if you have sprayed that foil first instead of sticking. Ah, look at this. Now let's just take a tour around this pepper. You see that my peppers are soft and they have begun to collapse. That's what you want. That makes for some good eating. Ah, man. You can stuff these so many ways. With so many things. But this right here, this is good. It's what we're eating for today. Look at that. This is what you want to put on your table. Now, I am making a salad with this, a really nice salad. Nobody's eating today besides me and the big old daddy. Nobody else is eating. So he's going to have 2 peppers, and I'm going to have 2 peppers, and we're going to have salad with that. We're going to eat and get full. This is delicious, and then we're going to go sit on the porch in this nice weather and talk a while. Y'all, make this. Give this for your family. It's real quick. It's real easy, and it's delicious. I appreciate you coming by today, guys. I appreciate you coming to check on me to see what I was cooking because you knew that Meso would be throwing down. I hope I did not disappoint. If you like my channel, I want you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll know every time I put up a new video. If you like my channel, please share it with your friends, your enemies, your family, your co-workers. Just share my videos wherever you're active on social media. Give me a comment. I'd love to hear what you're thinking. Give me a big old thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Guys, I want to tell you, we're living in a time now where a lot of us are sheltered in. A lot of us are staying at home. We're not going all the places that we usually go. But you know what we can still do? Show some love. Share some love. Share some food. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.